Good morning guys! Ayan, nandito na naman po tayo sa kusina ni Chef Eloy at ayan, ready na po yung ating breakfast meal. Oatmeal with strawberry dice. Iniwan natin yung strawberry para mas mamix natin sa ating oatmeal at syempre yung ating ginger tea. Ayan, for today meron pa tayong apple. Ayan, breakfast muna tayo bago tayo magluto ng pan-lunch. At yung ating lulutuin ng pan-lunch ay chicken miswa with patola. Chicken, patola, miswa, may dahon ng malunggay. So, yun po yung ating pang-lunch. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. Ingat po palagi. And take care always. God bless. Always. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you on my next vlog.